Hi everybody, Dave Snyder here. It is March the 15th, 2013, and it's kind of early in the morning. Sometimes I do my best work at that time, but anyways, was looking at Google Earth earlier and checked out a weather pattern here. Excuse me. Right here. Look at this, right with Iceland right in the center. It's beautiful, beautiful overlay. A beautiful pattern here, showing that this is a definite center of an impact by our moon, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to prove it basically right now. And I'm also going to show you Stonehenge on the moon. Okay? Because if there's a video in one of my playlists, I think it's in Moon Truth playlist or something like that, and they talk about, it's just a little short clip about Stonehenge, how they say it may have been created because of the moon. Okay, well let me just show you here. Okay, so this is like take 3 of this video, and I got it wrong a couple times, but I got it right this time. It just, it's a matter of trial and error. I thought that this. Well, let me just show you how I figured it all out first. Okay, so I can't do an overlay up here at the North Pole. It's too close to the pole, and it does not allow you to overlay pictures there. So, excuse me. Ah, terrible. Okay, turn that off. Wait, turn the weather off. And I overlaid that in the Pacific, right here. That same picture of the weather and everything, right? Is this one? Okay, I know it's not to scale or anything, but you can see really clear that that's in the center, Iceland in the center, and I overlaid this picture of the South Pole of the moon over the top. Okay. Now I noticed a lot of things in this picture that show that I was in the right position, right area. I was on the right track, anyways. I mean, you see, there's like this area here where you got this, and you see the texture right below that in the clouds. You can see the clouds are the same shape. I mean, it's a little hard to see, but it's there. And Iceland being right in the center. And let me just say that I didn't notice Iceland was right in the center when I first noticed the weather pattern. I didn't even notice Iceland was in the center until I put this moon crater over the top, and then I noticed it was in the center. Okay. Now I also noticed like this area here, where this big crater is here. I see the curve in the weather right there. See that? There's definitely a big crater right there in that spot somewhere, pretty close to that area anyway. Or it actually looks like it's right here, because it is right here. I'd say it's right there, because I did have to move. See, I thought this other area right here, Schrodinger, was over Spain. It looked like it hit Spain, and it may have. I may be wrong on this, but it looked like to me like it was close to Spain. But I'm thinking I have this too big, possibly. But anyways, I had it over Spain, and I had it fit in there. It looked like it fit over Spain, and it looks like. But then I saw the weather here. I mean, I noticed the weather right here. This curve. Damn it! Stay still. This curve in the weather right here. And what is right underneath that? Stonehenge, right? And look at this curve. Now, then this is the third, like I said, the third attempt here. So here we go. I put the Schrodinger crater. That was the crater that was over, that I said looked like it hit Spain, right? Well, here it is, right over the top of Stonehenge. And check this out, people. This is unbelievable. Of course, they built Stonehenge because of the moon. You better believe they did. Better damn well believe it. Because that, my friends, is the weather showing you that Look at this crater. Look at this crater. That is Stonehenge. That is Stonehenge, right there. You want to see? I'll show you Stonehenge right now. We got Stonehenge right. Wait, is it a different picture? That's a different crater. Stonehenge is right here. Let me just move it over here. See, I had it over here earlier. Let me just move it over there so you can see. Which way does it go? Goes this way. Oh, hold on. I can't turn it. Ah. This is a bitch. It goes like this. I'll make it the right size in a minute. Boom. Stonehenge. Right there. Right there. Absolutely Stonehenge. Guaranteed Stonehenge. You better believe that when they say that it may have been created because of the moon, you better believe it was created because of the moon, because that's it right there. That is it. That is Stonehenge. completely. No doubt. Stonehenge, right there. And look where it is. Look where it was built. That's something else. I never. It took me a long time to realize that. I mean, I've been looking at this crater for a while. I might have a friend that might have already figured it out before I did. I don't know. Doesn't matter to me. Hope he did. Wish he would have told me though. Hey, check it out, man. This is what we were after. I think this is it. There's the reason they built Stonehenge. There's your look at how it just fits over the islands there. Here, hold on. Get this set in place and shut it off. And check it out over the islands here. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. It might not be perfect the way I have it set over this, because I just kind of set it up to the weather, like this. I aligned it to the weather, and I just did it real quick, so it may be off a little bit still. It looks like it goes. It's pretty close. I'd say it's pretty close. Close enough. You get the idea what we're aiming for here. I mean, that's the same thing. You can see that that's the same thing, right? Look at that. Showing that the moon hits the Earth, and it's hit Iceland. It's hit all over the place. That's just one impact. You watch my other videos and see the other ones. And if you like the information, or like the video, like the idea of what I'm trying to find and do here, click the like button. My dislikes are almost catching up with my likes. It kind of bothers me. I'm trying my hardest not to disrespect other people's beliefs anymore when I make my videos. If you believe that the moon is just what they say it is, I respect that. That's fine. I just respect mine too, please. That's all I ask. So have a good day. Check that stuff out. It's pretty interesting. But that's Stonehenge. That crater is Stonehenge. Look at that one more time. I guess I was wrong, and I'm always the first to admit that I'm wrong when I'm wrong. It doesn't bother me to admit that I was wrong the first time, and I may not have even been wrong the first time when I talked about Stonehenge in the past. So it may have been hit more than one time, and I'm sure it has. Everything has, pretty much. All right, so have a good day. Just end it there.